Arina from partytips.com is here with something you call pumpkin decorating deception.
Yes.
Which sounds scandalous.
Well, it is.
Which is your middle name. Okay, so first we're going to start with Sharpies.
Yes, we're going
All
to start with Sharpies. And you were just saying good luck with having your pumpkin last, because as soon as you carve it, it starts kind of going downhill.
And then the squirrels get it.
Yes, well, this will prevent it.
Okay.
So the Sharpies are really wonderful because they're easy to work with, and a lot of people are like, well, I'm not going to do Sharpies, I can't draw. And so this is going to be your lifesaver. It's called tracing paper.
Okay.
And basically
it's this newfangled thing called tracing paper.
High tech, yes.
I love it, because
Yes.
no one's, I mean, I hadn't thought of using that in a pumpkin.
Exactly, and people just, are kind of scared to draw because once it's on, it's on.
Right.
But with tracing paper, it's easy. You just put it on, and then you print out what you want. And I did an L for my last name.
For Lannis.
Yes.
Right.
And then you're going to take a pen and you're going to go in and you're just going to sort of not carve out, but trace out
Really
this
press on
letter.
it. Yeah.
And then what you're going to wind up getting is
the outline.
The
So you have
outline.
a nice little outline.
Yes.
We'll show it to Doug right here so you can see that. Now, did you spray paint this pink?
I did.
It's cute.
It
Super
is
cute.
I mean, if I'm not going to be sitting, I'd rather not clean out and carve.
Right.
I'd rather spray paint. So anyway, so then you go in with your Sharpie. And you can use any color that you like, and I'll give this to you.
Sure.
And you can just go in and
if you can go between the lines, you're good.
Exactly. And I would do several coats, maybe go over it 3 or 4 times, because the blacker it is, the more it'll sort of pop out. And then that's it. There you go.
And what did you put just little colored push pins in here?
So that's the big trend right now.
So I did part of it, but you can get the gist of it. So the L, if I followed the L on, it would look so cute and so pretty on your porch.
Yes, and you have a monogram pumpkin, boom,
Aww.
just like that. So, so the other big thing are push pins.
Yes.
And so I don't know if you're probably familiar with Valentino. I know where you shop. You just told us.
Valentino is this is a whole fashion craze that's now made its way to your pumpkins.
Yes.
Which is so interesting.
Yes, and the brand introduced Rockstud about 5 years ago. It was pumps and bags, and it's still alive, and it's sort of seeped into, there it is.
So we're looking at Rockstud shoes, and ladies, you see this all over the place, and you see them on your handbags and things of that nature.
Yes.
And now it's on our pumpkins.
It's seeped into interior decor and now holiday decor. So you can actually get these studs at any craft store. And then also I use pins, and these are just so easy, and you can really have fun with it.
And look at that.
I know.
Those studs right there.
Simple.
How cute.
Yeah.
And then, oh my gosh, this one is my favorite right here. It's all just thumbtacks.
Yes, that I got at Home Depot.
You can't stop touching it though, because it looks so cool and it feels neat.
Yes, and it's so sort of high end.
Yeah.
And
it looks
you can
fancy.
do brass, you can do silver, you can spray paint this, like a pink gold. So you can really have fun with them.
Did you do underneath this? Is this a real pumpkin or is it a?
This is a fake pumpkin, but I always use real stems because they'll last forever. So then, but it makes it look like a real pumpkin, but I use it year after year.
So this might be a dumb question. You glue a real stem onto the fake pumpkin?
Yes.
That's it? That's what you do?
Yes.
Cut it off? Okay.
Yeah, you cut off the fake one and then put in the real one. Yeah.
And then here, real quick, we're just going to turn it. This is Halloween right here. Boom. Thanksgiving. So each side is a different holiday, and that's how you get your pumpkins to last through the season. Arina, these were your tricks, but you have some treats for us. So we're going to dip back in with you later on in Better Kansas City so you can show us how to make some really neat treats. They're devilishly good. They are. Good. I love it. All right, Arina.